Hello everybody, it's Eclipse Gaming back at it again, and today we'll be doing some Fortnite. And in this Fortnite video we will be teaching you how to use the note blocks to make the song Jingle Bells. Pretty simple song. If you want to if you want to start the music blocks or the note blocks, this is a good song to start off with. So we're gonna be teaching you the notes. You don't have to do it like the exact noises or whatever they're called. You don't have to do the exact same things, but just the exact same notes. But I used these ones, and I also used these purple ones. So for me, the purple ones were the chords, and the white ones were the melody. And so first you want to pull out your phone, and then you want to select 3 E's. So E, leave a space, and you also want to have grid on 4, then E, and then I don't know if you guys can see it because I kind of turned them. E, G, C, D, E. And then leave 3 spaces. And then F, 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 E, 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 D, D, E, D, C. Okay. And you have some different chords, so that's what we're going to focus on now with the chords. So first for the chord, had E, and then E again, then E again. But then here we have multiple chords. First you have F, then when you get to the E's, you get an E. Wait, mine is... There you go. And then when you get to the D, do the D. And then when it's G, you put another G to make it sound better. Then the E's again. And then E, G, C, D, E. Then for the final one, have the F's, 5 F's. Then you have 3 E's, and then the E chord, and then G, G, F, D, C. And then when you're done, it showed the melody and the chord should sound something like this. Oh, and you also need a sequencer. You can find it in devices. It's this thing over here. And then when you step on it, so that's Jingle Bells. And we will be doing another video soon. This is Roxanne, but this will probably be a later on video because this I'm still working on it. It's kind of hard. I don't know what would be next, just as another simple one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. And more videos coming soon because I'm staying home from school for a long time. So yeah, Eclipse Gaming signing off.